Like it's everywhere, in every street there is a small business. If we spend all our money on our study and got a degree of engineer or doctor, then it's wasted for us. If we can get small business. Before criticizing Pakistan, ask yourselves. Okay. Before criticizing Pakistan, ask yourself, what have I done for your country? What have you done? What have you done your own country? Did you practice? Yes. Like try. Yes. Try. Did you have you planted tree? Have you helped the poor people? Have you spoke your kind for about Pakistan? When we have something for other people, help the people, then we help the people. If we get money from the it's not necessary. It's so easy to say that stay here and fix it. But until and unless someone has power, he can't do anything. The should have power to do anything. Only power is money. Even we need money to do anything for Pakistan. Not for yes. But if we have no food for eat, then why should I how can we plant and how can we help others if we don't have even opportunity? Then others help you. Then other Pakistani we will go there and find. We will go earn money and then we will return and then we can help because we have money and we have power. If we sit here and depend on others, they will help us and we have any opportunities for go better life. And only for love Pakistan we sit there and waiting for others. And leaving Pakistan doesn't mean that we don't love. Okay, if we leave, when there is we want to leave somewhere. If you want its own fund, then it's a mistake of political.
Running away is easy, but staying and improving is brave decision. If you want to become a big leader, then you stay here and face problems and solve them.
Yes. Common person cannot become a leader here without favoritism and without recognition. Yes. You can become a leader here easily. Yes. Because the people are not even ready to leave their seats and leave their status.
But whenever until you face problem, how you develop yourself.
Yes.
Because if you have a very comfortable life, then how you build yourself.
Yes. If by some chance we reach there that seat and we become the leader, we are opposed by so many people. We are not even so just supported by the people and by the people of Pakistan and by even our own friends and fellows. You are not even supported. You are opposed by everyone. Even it's like, for example, Imran Khan. Like he's laying in jail now. Like they are not because of the opposition, because he was not supported. He did so many things for Pakistan, but in the return he just got to jail.
But anyhow, he is in jail, but he wins our in country people's in live in people's life hearts.
But he live in people's heart. But how is the life he is spending in the jail without any facility, without us? And what the heart is for him?
Because any problem is not permanent. Any problem has some time after that is solved.
It's like been so many military is permanent politics.
But if you want to become more,
there is a military dominance in Pakistan. It's not.
it is not now. It is a tradition of Pakistan, like Nawaz Sharif, exile from Pakistan, then return back and make governments like Pakistan People Party, the army. Eliminate their governments and then next army chief come and scold them.
But I think army's work is to protect country, not to lead the country and not to tell the people what to do and what to not do. Because when Pakistan rises, we rises. Because Pakistan is our strength. And I will never leave Pakistan because every nation is built by its people. If people are not fighting for their country, then how their government can do that? Okay. When Pakistan gets better life, you and from abroad we can support Pakistani. Even in my own example, I have seen my father working day and night. He's a doctor, but he is not paying enough. He can sacrificing your mental health, your culture, your values, your traditions, and you live after all that for a better life. What is better life we do? There is no better life in Pakistan.
Get richer and the poor is getting poor day by day. And it's not even getting better.
And
We are not
poor, poor people always see their success to get richer and richer and richer. That's why it is more important to go out from there and build your future.
Future.
Why not be like those persons like Abdul Sattar Idhi, Malala, Dr. Like those persons
Yes.
who gave their lives to Pakistan, who sacrifices their lives.
There is Malala in Pakistan. Abdul Sattar. Every person is not like a.
But he has to do it
And
on his own. Nobody literally helped him, nobody literally motivated him. He has to do
Then
it.
why
He has that.
in another country? Why? In Pakistan, why?
If everyone leave country, then who will build the Pakistan?
Yes. If there are opportunities, then why everyone leave Pakistan?
Even
Pakistan-
talent is wasted here.
In Pakistan, there is only favoritism. If you have education, you have.
You can't have good job without any favoritism, without any
Because in every field of Pakistan, there is corruption.
Yes. Only section jobs in Pakistan.
I think
Only
corruption
section jobs in
exists
Pakistan.
everywhere.
Corruption
And I think corruption exists
In
everywhere
non-married
in developing
jobs.
countries.
In
Not only in developing
No,
countries.
you
In
get
non-
job here. You
you
get
can-
job there on the merit basis.
No.
And
In
on
non-married merit
the
jobs.
you know,
But
we
you can build your. But
people
corruption is everywhere.
okay. Want the video then
Not here. Our corruption is everywhere in developing, also in developing countries. As a citizen, why we cannot fight? As a citizen, we can fight. No, but not one person you can't fight. Big issues in all families. In all families, there are only one person to grow their families. And when we go, the other
Because
countries, you cannot grow.
like our government is not sincere with us. Their government is sincere with us.
So in many things, government is not. Why we should not? Why we should not by self? Engineer, doctor, or a teacher go for abroad. But then how build us? If we build, then it not it covers, but it's our generation, new generation. If we got degrees of engineer, doctor, and we doesn't get job, then it is wasted.
we are not
Then it is
prepared.
not our.
We literally spend most of our lives
For study,
for study and
after
to
that,
be something. But we don't
Get
get
job.
opportunities there. Our talent is wasted.
and
So what should we do?
when there is a
Because
chance.
you got no jobs, you got no opportunities, and you have this job there, and you have no
If you
job.
have degree in your hand and there is no
In
job,
Pakistan, no
I
merit-based jobs.
think
In Pakistan, no merit-based jobs. In other countries, in merit-based jobs. In Pakistan, it's in corruption and concession jobs. In other countries, in large corruption and concession jobs. In big salaries. In Pakistan, in very decreased salaries. In Pakistan, in all family members on work, that expensive in solve issue problems or problems. But other countries, in one person worth on worth and all family members with problem solved.
You're paying enough here, but the living there is much costlier than here.
yes.
The currency is much cheaper here.
Yes.
That's
And
why
the other
no.
and petrol is we answered, ma'am. Why are you writing? We answer. We reply. We are replying.
For paying
Poor people who cannot afford. If he can, that's other can.
Pakistan also
Yes,
don't.
yes.
Who can heal?
Yes. If he
But it's like they have to work day and night just to just to
I think one
but
point.
they are not paying enough and they cannot give their
Every nation is built by people.
If we have power,
Every nation built by people.
built
Yes.
by power and
No,
power
no,
don't
no,
have power.
no.
We go abroad
Every
and
nation
get
has
power
power
and
built
do
by people.
another people in
Yes.
Pakistan. Power to
Yes.
start a business.
Yes.
You need to
Yeah.
money
I
is
think
power.
people is
Basically, if you have money, you respect the power it is.
Yes.
Pakistan also needs
Yes. Yes.
In the daughter in Pakistan get opportunity to get abroad, then they will go to abroad because they have not much salary to make their life and
If they
better
have
for
no salary, then many okay. I told about earlier. If they have no salaries, if they have no salaries, but they make their own business like they start with a clinic and made yes.
like you will see clinic in every street of Pakistan.
Then why
If we have a
again
engineer and
In today's era, instead of living Pakistan, if we are students, we can open YouTube channels, we can teach through
Yes.
YouTube channels, social media,
Yes.
because in nowadays YouTube pay in dollars. How it is not necessary to earn.
Police cannot manage projects.
why don't you fix the fees? Because you want money at
Yes.
like mental health issues.
Yes.
No, there
No,
is other
peace.
peace. There are other countries in their peace. But living in a peaceful, peaceful environment will help your mental health. It will give you a better opportunity and you will live a better life because you are satisfied and you are now free. Because you are living a better life. You are living a better life. And it
Yes,
will
well,
actually
how
help you.
peace is
how
the peace is at mind.
when you have all around things, having a peace is also in
How are
peace.
you having a peace?
How are you having a peace when you have like treating like a stranger there?
Yes.
Treating not
Like
away
no,
from your family,
no.
away from your culture.
If you
away
are
from your
the
family.
person, hard work person, the factory, when where you job, you are their prime point person, means important person, and they feel you like you are a president of the country. They treat like that. The other country respect all the person, not they are in other countries from other countries or any other countries. There are rules for equality.
Even there is no. There are not rules are not.
There are in Pakistan, the Pakistanis values are not.
We're talking about mental health, I think.
In Pakistan, there are also no rules and regulation, and the Pakistani person's value is zero. In other countries, the same value. If you have a problem, you go to police station. The police will
Not listen to you until you pay them to listen.
in Pakistan.
Yes.
In other countries, the police is also
Honest.
honest and
And listen to you. And ready to listen to you. Listen to you more.
Foreign and make your luxury, but your identity in your country.
Is that
Yes, not
in other
In
countries? But if you are very poor, if you are very poor in your own country, you are not even
yes.
like you are not even respected.
Okay,
You are not respected. If
If
you don't have money,
you
you are
are
not
poor,
worthy.
why? If you poor, then how can you go to abroad? By how?
it's you
It's
are
not the point. You can go. You can go.
You can
Without money.
Without money.
Without money, you can go anywhere.
we
Yes,
can get
without
money
money.
from another person and pay after.
Yes, without money. Only
You lend the money.
only in embassy interview and then go to abroad.
Yes. There are many opportunities. They
Why-
even want
yeah,
you.
why-
They are
yeah.
here calling you. They come to our country and have a better life.
If you are a good and hard worker,
Okay.
the hard work will pay you.
Yes. In Kazakhstan, they are they are making the students,
Yes.
Muslim students
Yes.
actually, leaving their country.
Country.
Like they are forcing them to leave their country.
Yes.
Even in America, they're not
Yes.
accepting the students.
Yes.
They are not,
Not accepting the students. Yes.
You have
Right, my point.
You should know that whatever you are
What they have done, Kazakhstan students
Yes.
doesn't matter with us.
Right?
If we get job and we get opportunities from other countries, then we go. In Kazakhstan, students and other countries students, we didn't relate them. It's their issue, and we have to.
Yes. In Pakistan, really Pakistani students.
Yeah, leave Pakistan for better life.
In Italy and in Turkey, there are a lot of free scholarships for Pakistani students. And they even give
China also give the and also they give
Pakistan.
Yes.
You can live here, build here,
Yes.
represent here.
Yes.
and after that,
After that,
when we get educated and after that we don't have job, then we go to other
Okay.
countries.
but we have to go for their life.
Money who spend go for abroad. Who spend to build a small business or a small short education system. So why you want? Because okay.
Maybe you don't have very much experience. Because, but there are many people.
Whenever they want restriction, they apply them. Before that, when they open their business, they don't create their rules. When they see the other countries are,
Yes.
the other countries are earning there from there, and they applied new rules and block their accounts. It depends on
They
their.
said that the YouTube, Instagram, these all social media accounts are from foreign countries. They are blocking the accounts of us. Then why are you supporting them? Why not Pakistan?
Because they said come there, their countries, and then earn. Not from the your country, your country, and
The
then-
Microsoft, you want to be a puppet of someone.
Yes,
Because even the Microsoft and all has shut down in Pakistan recently.
yeah,
Because
they
we
said
don't
that will come their
We don't
countries,
know how
and
the
then
countries
you
are.
can do these works.
But nowadays it is not. But nowadays it is not necessary. Just we can communicate online meetings.
The online meetings are not earning.
It is the same. We said about Microsoft. It is the same. Survival of the fittest. Those who fit the environment survive. Microsoft didn't survive because he didn't because we did not know how to value that. We did not know how to develop that. We did not know what people are leaving Pakistan. Those who are dreamers who know how to carry on.
Yes.
I have a big example who live in Pakistan and become a youngest Microsoft certified Alpha Cream. Alpha Cream is youngest woman to get a Microsoft certificate, and he is teaching now Faisalabad, live in Pakistan. He become youngest woman to get Microsoft certificate.